Welcome to Electrodynamics paper, semester 3 for BSc Physics Main. Today's topic is problems in electrostatic field in matter. Semester 3 BSc Main students, Physics. Problems in electrostatic field in matter. The first problem. Show that polarization P is equal to epsilon 0 into epsilon r minus 1 into E. And just before that, a question is given, an essay question that we have seen in the last class. The question is a repetition. And here problem 1 is show that polarization P is equal to epsilon 0 into epsilon r minus 1 into E. P is the polarization density vector, and that we have to prove. Its value is equal to epsilon 0 into epsilon r minus 1 into electric field intensity E. The solution. The relation connecting three electric vectors. The relation connecting the three electric vectors is D is equal to epsilon 0 E plus P. D is equal to epsilon A, that you know. So epsilon E is equal to epsilon 0 E plus P. Epsilon 0 E plus P. Since epsilon is equal to epsilon 0 epsilon r, we can write epsilon E as epsilon 0 epsilon r E is equal to epsilon 0 E plus P. Epsilon 0 epsilon r E is equal to epsilon 0 E plus P. Therefore, P is equal to, take epsilon 0 to the left side, epsilon 0 epsilon r E minus epsilon 0 E. Take epsilon 0 common factor. Therefore, P is equal to epsilon 0 into epsilon r minus 1 into E. And this is an important equation. Using this equation, a problem was asked. The polarization density vector we can write in this manner, epsilon 0 into epsilon r minus 1 into E. Next question. A problem based on the relation. Show that the energy density in a dielectric due to polarization, that is UP is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon minus epsilon 0 into E square. അതായത് ഈ പോളറൈസേഷൻ മൂലമുള്ള എനർജി ഡെൻസിറ്റി യു പി എന്ന് പറയാൻ നമുക്ക് യു പി ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 1 by 2 epsilon minus epsilon 0 into E square തെളിയിക്കാൻ. Solution, we know D is equal to epsilon 0 E plus P. Again, P is equal to, we have just seen epsilon 0 into epsilon r minus 1 into E. This time we differentiate. Taking P and E as the two variables, we differentiate. dP is equal to epsilon 0 epsilon r minus 1 constants. Epsilon 0 into epsilon r minus 1 into dE, where dP is a change in polarization. dP is a change in polarization. Therefore, work done is unit volume due to polarization, dW, E into dP. And this equation is same as W is equal to Q, W is equal to the field into you know, W is equal to QV, and before that we have studied work is equal to, the equation is force is equal to Q into E, work is equal to force into distance. On calculating and converting into polarization term, that is dipole moment per unit volume, we get this equation, dP is equal to E into dP. E into dP, that is the equation. Therefore, dW is equal to E into, put the value of dP, that is epsilon 0 epsilon r minus 1 into dE, that we have seen the relation. Take epsilon 0 outside, that is dW is epsilon 0 epsilon r minus 1, or you write epsilon 0 epsilon r minus 1 in front. E dot dE, That is small work. Therefore, total work done. The total work done. W is equal to integral dw integral epsilon 0 epsilon r minus 1 e dE equal 1 by 2 epsilon 0 into epsilon r minus 1 into e square. That we integrate. W is equal to integrated. The answer is 1 by 2 epsilon 0 epsilon r minus epsilon 0 e square. You know epsilon 0 epsilon r is epsilon. Therefore, W is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon minus epsilon 0 into e square. That is the equation. Next problem. Show that D is epsilon A. ഇത് നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ ഉപയോഗിച്ചതാണ്. ഇത് എങ്ങനെ കിട്ടുമെന്ന് കാണിക്കുക നമ്മൾ. Solution for a capacitor D is equal to Q by A, charge by area. Multiply numerator and denominator by epsilon 0 epsilon r. That is D is equal to epsilon 0 epsilon r Q by epsilon 0 epsilon r A. Epsilon r A. Since Q by epsilon 0 epsilon r is equal to EA, that is actually Gauss law, is equal to phi. Phi is equal to EA is equal to 1 by epsilon 0 Q. That is the relation we have written. We can write as above relation. In the place of D is equal to epsilon 0 Q by epsilon 0 epsilon r A, that is D. And in the place of Q by epsilon 0 epsilon r, we substitute this value, then A will cancel. We get epsilon 0 epsilon r E. Therefore, D is equal to epsilon E. നിങ്ങളത് മനസ്സിലാക്കി നോക്കുക. ഈ ഒരു കപ്പാസിറ്ററിൻ്റെ ഡിസ്പ്ലേസ്മെൻറ്റ് ക്യൂ ബൈ എ എന്നൊരു ഇക്വേഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ താഴെ പോകുമ്പോൾ epsilon 0 epsilon r കൊണ്ട് ഗുണിക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ D is equal to epsilon 0 epsilon r Q by epsilon 0 epsilon r A എന്ന് കിട്ടും. ഇനി Q നമ്മൾ റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യണം. കൂളംസ് തിയറം അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. കൂളംസ് തിയറം അറിയാമല്ലോ, ഡൈഇലക്ട്രിക്കിന് phi is equal to EA is equal to Q by epsilon 0 epsilon r ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ നിന്ന് ഈ Q by Aക്ക് ഒരു വാല്യൂ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച് കൊടുക്കണം. Q by A അത് epsilon 0 epsilon r E എന്ന് കിട്ടും. അത് അങ്ങോട്ട് ഇട്ടാൽ മതി Q by Aക്ക് പകരം. അതേരം താഴെയുള്ള epsilon 0 epsilon വെട്ടിപ്പോയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നത് മുകളിൽ epsilon 0 epsilon r E എന്ന് കിട്ടും. epsilon 0 epsilon r എപ്സിലൺ ആണ്. അതുപോലെ D is epsilon E എന്ന് എഴുതും. അടുത്ത question number 4. The dielectric constant of water is 78. Calculate the electrical permittivity. This is a university question, but very simple question. Dielectric constant of water is 78. Usually it is 80. We take here in this question, it is given as 78. Solution. Electrical permittivity, epsilon question mark. You know epsilon is epsilon 0 epsilon r is equal to epsilon 0 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 into 78. Multiplying, we get epsilon equal to 690.3 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad per meter. That is the answer. Next question. The dielectric constant of a medium is 4. The electric field in the dielectric is 10 raised to 6 volt per meter. Calculate the electrical displacement and polarization. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു മീഡിയത്തിൻ്റെ ഡൈലക്ട്രിക് കോൺസ്റ്റൻ്റ് എപ്സിലോൺ r 4 ആണ്. അവിടെ ഫീൽഡ് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത് 10 raised to 6 volt per meter ആണ്. എങ്കിൽ ഇലക്ട്രിക്കൽ ഡിസ്പ്ലേസ്മെൻറ്റും പോളറൈസേഷനും കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. പോളറൈസേഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പോളറൈസേഷൻ ഡെൻസിറ്റി വെക്ടർ എന്നർത്ഥം. epsilon r is 4, E is equal to 10 raised to 6, electrical displacement D is equal to epsilon E is equal to epsilon 0 epsilon r E. That is D is equal to 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 into 4 into the field 10 raised to 6. The answer is equal to 26.55 into 10 raised to 6. D. Coulomb, capital C. Coulomb meter is to minus 2. It is Coulomb. You put a capital C, small m, raised to minus 2. Calculate the energy density in a capacitor with dielectric medium of constant 7. You correct 7, not it is 7. Dielectric constant 7. You correct it. The electric field in the capacity is 10 raised to 6 Newton per Coulomb. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ എനർജി ഡെൻസിറ്റി കപ്പാസിറ്ററിൻ്റെ ഏത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. ഡയലക്ട്രിക് കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ് 7 ആണ്. സോ യു നോ എനർജി ഡെൻസിറ്റി U is equal to 1/2 epsilon E square equal to 1/2 epsilon R E square is equal to half into 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 into epsilon R 7 into E square 10 raised to 4 field square is equal to 31 into 10 raised to minus 4 joule per meter cube. Energy density, that is energy per unit volume. Next problem. In a capacitor, the electric field with the dielectric constant epsilon R (7) is 1.43 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per Coulomb. Calculate P and D and establish the relation D is equal to epsilon 0 E plus P. അതായത് ഒരു കപ്പാസിറ്ററിൽ ഉള്ള ഡയലക്ട്രിക് മീഡിയം കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ് എപ്സിലോൺ ആർ 7 ആണ്. പിന്നെ അവിടെ ഇലക്ട്രിക് ഫീൽഡ് 1.43 into 10 raised to 3 ന്യൂട്ടൺ പെർ കുളമാണ്. നമ്മൾ പി കാണണം, ഡി കാണണം. എന്നിട്ട് ഈ ഡി ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു എപ്സിലോൺ 0 E plus P എന്ന് പറയുന്ന 3 ഇലക്ട്രിക് വെക്ടേഴ്സ് തമ്മിലുള്ള റിലേഷൻ എസ്റ്റാബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്യണം. We have to establish the relation D is equal to epsilon 0 E plus P. Data given are epsilon R is 7 and the field E is 1.43 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per Coulomb. Solution. E is equal to 1.43 into 10 raised to 3. Epsilon R is 7. D is epsilon A. Epsilon 0 epsilon R E. So we can find D first. That is D is equal to 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 into 7 into 1.43 into 10 raised to 3 is equal to 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 8 Coulomb per meter square. Then polarization density vector P epsilon 0 epsilon R minus 1 into E. That is P is equal to 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 into 7 minus 1 into 1.43 into 10 cubed is equal to 7.59 into 10 raised to minus 8 Coulomb per meter square. Then how will you establish the relation? The latter part. To find epsilon 0 E plus P. Epsilon 0 E plus P is equal to 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 plus 1.43 into 10 raised to 3 plus P 7.58 into 10 raised to minus 8. On adding we get 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 8. This established the relation D is epsilon 0 E plus P. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ epsilon 0 E plus P കാണുമ്പോൾ 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 8 ആണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്. നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച D നോക്കുക, അതും നേരത്തെ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച D. അത് 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഡിയും അതുപോലെ രണ്ടാമത് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച എപ്സിലോൺ 0 E plus P സെയിം ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് ആ റിലേഷൻ നമ്മൾ എസ്റ്റാബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്തു എന്ന് പറയാം. സിൻസ് D and epsilon 0 E plus P by calculation are found to be same, we can say the relation is established. And that is all with your 25th lecture on electrodynamics. We continue in the next class. Thank you very much.